In case if your Android device restarts or shuts down randomly, then let us see some of the ways by which you can fix the issue. Now the first thing that you can do is we will start with the back cover that you have used for your phone. Now check if the back cover is too tight. If it is too tight, might be the cover is pressing the power button, due to which the phone is restarting or shutting down randomly. Now after this, the other thing what we will do is we will wipe the cache partition of our Android device. Now according to the different models, it differs. For Samsung, what I will do is I will press this power button, Bixby button on this side, and then volume up button when I restart my device. So at first what I will do is I will shut down the device. So once I have shut down my device, I will restart again. So when I restart, I will press the power button, Bixby button and volume up button at the same time. And once I see this Samsung Note 8 logo, I will release all the buttons. And you can see my device is now going to the recovery mode. So my device has started in recovery mode. So what I will do is I will select the option wipe cache partition. You might not see it clearly, but there is one option here, wipe cache partition. If I have to select that option, I have to press volume down. So once I select that option, I will press the power button to activate that selection. Now the device is asking me if I want to clear the cache partition, and this action cannot be undone. So I will select yes. Now when you clear the cache partitions, no data will be deleted from your phone. So once the cache partition is deleted, now what happens is automatically reboot system now option will be selected. So I want to reboot my system, so I will press this power button and my device will reboot. So once you have finished rebooting the device after wiping out the cache partition, then check if your device stops to restart or shut down randomly. Now if you think that your device has started to get this problem after you have started certain applications, then what you can do is you can start your device in safe mode to be sure whether the problem is caused by the application or not. So what you do is press the power button and hold until you get this option, then press power off and then press and hold this power off option, and then you will see the safe mode. So tap on the safe mode to start your device in safe mode. So once your device has started in safe mode, what you do is leave the device for some time and check if your device restarts or not. If your device does not restart or shut down even after a certain time period like 15 minutes or half an hour, then you can be sure that the problem is caused by certain application. So try to remember the application that you had installed after which the problem started to occur, and then you can delete those applications. Similarly, what you can do while you are in safe mode, try to check if there is an update for the software or not. So we will go to settings, we will go down, we will go to software update, we will go to download and install. The device will check if there is any update for the software. Right now my software is up to date. For you, if there is update pending, then update the software. Now the other thing that you have to check is you have to see how much of space is left in your Android device. If there is no space at all in your Android device, then that might be causing your Android device to restart randomly. So what you will do is you will go to settings, you will scroll down and go to this option device care. We will go to this storage, and this will show you how much of space is left in your device. For me, I have 12.1 gigabyte left in my internal memory, whereas I have some space left in my SD card. So I have enough space. For you, if you don't have, then you have to see what items are taking up more space in your device. So for me, images, they are taking 1 gigabyte, whereas applications, they are taking 28.6 gigabyte. So applications are taking more space in my phone. So if I don't have space, I will go and check and see which applications I don't need, and then I will uninstall those applications. Now the other thing that you can do is you can also remove the SD card from your device and check if this will fix the issue. Maybe the SD card is corrupted, due to which your device is restarting. As a last resort, what we will do is we will format our device to the factory state. That means all the data will be erased. So for that one, what we will do is we will go to settings, we will go down, we will go to general management, reset, we will go to factory data, reset. So what happens, all the applications that you have downloaded, all the accounts that you have added will be erased. So these are the things that will be deleted from my phone. So whatever the things you have installed will be deleted. If you have backed up your phone to Google Drive, then you can restore later on. So try to do all of these things and check if this will fix the issue or not.